Recipe in description.
Baby, do you want to get hedgehogs? Yes, I got a new one. No, I got a new one also. No, this one's a new one. Yes. Can I have that one? Wait, so yes. Bluey's like blue. You like bluey. Yeah, I like blue, so I'm gonna make some. So we're gonna make this like this. So we're making hedgehog cookies. Not cookies, though. Yeah, we really love them. This is so yummy. We put sprinkles in there. And it'll be so. Mommy, do you know last time we had hedgehog one of these last time?
Mm-hmm.
And I was eating them so good. I want to have chocolate slides. Oh yeah, I remember. Yes, I remember.
Are you hungry for chocolate?
High five! To the side, up above, down low. Too slow.
Yay!
To the side, up above, down low, too slow. High five! Ooh, I feel so alive.
Let's start now. Hey!
Let's make!
Yay!
To jest tylko czekolada, mąka.
Czekolada mąka. Let's do it together. Ew! Stop it saying it is. Wygląda jak kubka. It looks like poo. He's such a nice boy. He's so funny. He makes funny things to people. We don't like to say poo 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 poo. Say mum poo poo. Say mum poo poo. That's okay if I break it. Good.
Good?
Let's create. We went to walk. We made our own hedgehogs. We love making them.